really nimble handling. And good powertrain. Plenty of pep. Hi there everyone, welcome to DM Carvies. Today we're driving a 2006 Toyota Matrix with a stick shift. Let's go start her up, take a walk around outside, and then we will do a quick drive of this Matrix. Alrighty. Today's mostly going to be a quiet test drive, but these used to be really popular cars back in the 2000s. They were great for the city, very affordable, and I kind of miss the era of these cars where you could go snatch a ride like this for under 20 grand basically. I still see a lot of them on the road, and it's so rare to find one in a manual, so let's go take a look at the back seat now. So hopping in the back, I am 6'2", sitting behind myself. Surprisingly, it's still spacious. I still have room. It feels nice. There is no armrest, none of that. There are cup holders though. Let's go take a look at the trunk. And here we have a decently sized trunk with a cargo net. Not bad. A tow hitch. And let's take a look at the engine. I believe this is a 1.8 liter. That's what I think it is. But I'm super curious to see how it differs with the manual, because the automatics on these I believe were like 4 speeds. So it should be a quicker, more joyful ride. There's the engine. Boom. All right, let's go get inside. Ugh. It's nice and warm. So hopping in here feels nice. Seats are actually surprisingly comfy for this kind of class. Now the headrest is a little, well, it's actually not bad. I feel like it's a little bit out, but I also have my hoodie here, so that could be the reason. Okay, cup holder, I'm sorry, armrest, cup holders, glove box, light, not bad. Wiper test, horn test. Everything here is super simple. We just have the AC, nothing else. Power windows, which for that day not every Toyota came with them, like the base Corollas had the manual handles. Alrighty, let's try it like this. Ooh. Alrighty. You know what? It is a surprisingly peppy ride, I gotta say. You know what? Let's go right. Wow, this is actually a properly quick car. This is surprising. Most of the cars in this class are not this peppy. Very nimble handling. This is probably one of the most direct and connected driving experiences that I've seen from Toyota of that era. It actually feels super nice. it's also rev happy. Sometimes getting first gear in is not that easy, but it's fun. This is a properly fun car. Still trying to get used to the shifter. It is a little bit tricky. I also guess, you know, age, wear and tear, the clutch, all of that has played a role. So it is harder to predict, but still manageable. This actually looks like a great place for us to do a 0 to 60 test. We definitely want to get that in. I'm not sure we'll find any other places that have such a good straightaway, so we will do that right here. All right, let's come to a complete stop here, and we are going to do our first 0 to 60 test. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Alrighty, so we did 9.2 seconds with some wheel spin, and here by Draggy we did 0 to 60 in 9.25. Very nice. 1/8 mile 10.99 at 63.57. That seems really good to me, at least. Some good numbers. One thing about this area though, it's really hard to find a good straightaway to do tests for acceleration. But let's leave that at 9.2 seconds. I think that's a good time. So this summarizes our performance section of the test drive. really nimble handling. And good powertrain. Plenty of pep. This is actually a surprisingly fun car, which you would never expect from just like a base matrix. And back in the day, like a 9-second car, that was quick. In this class especially. This could easily compete with like the Altima, the Accords, whatever more powerful cars there were back then. Can't imagine how cool it would be if this car had a new clutch per se, like a fresh, you know, a fresh feel to it. Obviously, throughout the years, this was worn out, but still very fun. I'm definitely enjoying it with some mods like a supercharger, I don't know, or even a cold air intake tune. This thing could fly. Probably knock down a second off that 0 to 60 with some good tires and a tune and intake. Oh yeah, I love this. This is great. Seriously, one quick machine. Holds the gear perfectly. Boom. Lovely. It's surprisingly a great feel. I do like it a lot. This light. There we go, this light. this summarizes our test drive for today. I hope you all enjoyed it. It was definitely fun. Make sure to let me know your thoughts about this car. Smash that like and subscribe button, and till next time.